For this section, the topic is use encrypted secrets to store sensitive information. Now, GitHub Actions has secrets, and the secrets are encrypted variables that you can use to store sensitive information required in your workflows. These secrets provide a way to securely store and use sensitive data, such as API keys, access tokens, or other credentials, without exposing them in your workflow files. So now let's take a look at an actual example. So I'm going to use my domain 1 repository that we have been using. So in the settings, I will go to secret and variables, click on actions, and we are going to add a new repository secret. And let's just name our secret API key. And I'm going to just put in some random values over here and then click on add secret. So now we have this API key as our secret. Now let's add it to our workflow and use this secret in our workflow. But one thing you will note here is if I go to edit back, you won't be able to see the secret. So you can just create, delete, or overwrite a secret, but you will never be able to see the current value of the secret in the UI, or you won't be able to even see them in the logs once set. I'm going to go to our workflow file now, go to main.yaml and click on edit. And let me just delete what I have, and I'm going to just start fresh and name our workflow example workflow on push. So this will be the event, and then jobs would be, let's just say, an example job runs on Ubuntu latest. Steps would be, let's say, the first would be we'll check out the code and uses actions checkout v4. And now let's use our API key. So I'm going to create a step called use API key, and we are just going to echo the API key. So the API key is secrets dot API underscore key. So this is how you can call the secret and reference the secret. So this will print the secret. So whenever in your workflow you want to utilize a secret, this is the syntax you would use. So now let's click on commit changes. And now let's look at the action. So this is our example job and use API key, and you can see that it's asterisk, so it prints the API key, but you can't really see the API key. So this is how you can use a secret in your workflow.